I have been in front of the camera pretty much all day. I have put my as I said, put my keister in gear, and I have been filming for children's classes. I have some upcoming children's classes that I'm doing on Zoom. And then also, just, I was going through looking at some of the stuff that teachers are doing, and I feel so sorry for them because they didn't sign up for this job of being on camera. And, it takes an extrovert like me who's actually done theater and all that kind of stuff to, go like, yeah, so I don't care if I look that way. I'll be okay. So it's been all day. So what makes my kids' classes different than my adult classes? Pacing is faster. I feel like adults are much more patient in settling into things. My adult classes are deliberately slow. I'm speeding up the pace for kids. And then so many of my songs are just not great kids songs. Margaritaville, yeah, that's not the best choice of song. Pistol Packin' Mama, no, I don't think so. Oh, Whiskey in the Jar, yeah. So these, even a 2-chord song like Hot Corn, Cold Corn, which is about brewing moonshine. Yeah, a lot of my songs are about people behaving badly. Trying to be a little bit more uplifting in moral tone, and just even things like my bad puns. Like there's one, a man lay down by the sewer, and by the sewer he died. At the coroner's inquest, they called it suicide. Yeah, right. I mean, that's I feel okay doing that with adults, but not sure I feel comfortable doing that with kids. So anyway, fun t-shirts, kids. That's been my day today. I am so grateful that I had wonderful, wonderful teachers as a child. They kept me inspired. And thank you to my parents who, made sure that I had private lessons. And when I had these wonderful opportunities to travel, they said, okay. And so thanks to those adults in my life that helped get me where I am today. I hope your day's going great. What songs do you teach with kids? If you teach with kids or sing with kids, what do you use? I'd love to pick your brain. So leave that below in the comments. See you tomorrow.
I like to eat